Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the torso twist. Now for the torso twist, just like the paddle off press, let's grab this band with the outside hand, inside hand cups it. We're going to step out just a little bit with our arms straight, and then now from here, keeping our arms straight, we're going to pivot that inside foot and then rotate until the band hits my arm and come back slowly. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the torso twist. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Torso twist, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.